Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Amore, Portofino, and we're going to check out this house behind me here. So let's go tripping. So we're here. This is in the village of Amore, which is part of the Portofino villages. There's Portofino South, there's Portofino Heights, and then there's Portofino Amore. This is right next to the upcoming new college campus where all the colleges are going to be built, so the property value is going to get really high here. So as you walk in the door, you can see the dining room table there in the living room area. And then I'll just come over here so we can pan the room across here. See a sliding glass door there out to the back. So we have the dining room table here with a nice chandelier above it, and you can see the kitchen in the distance and the stairs on the left. And we'll check out the kitchen here, and on the ground level you have the kitchen area here, stove area there, ref. Over here you have the ground floor bathroom with full shower. And then as we proceed back further here, you have a sink set up here for a dirty kitchen. And inside here, in this door here, is a maid's room on the ground floor. And then you have the door here to the outside. But we'll go walk around the outside later. Let's go up and check out the upstairs. See the nice chandelier in the living room too? See that? Nice. If you look down the description, you'll see, look at that nice big window there. You'll see the lot size and the floor area and the price and other links to go get more information and contact us. So at the top of the stairs, you have a room directly across. Just show you this room, the flooring. Synthetic flooring. Got an AC in the corner there. And then to the left of the stairs is a CR with full shower. And then you have another room here. See that? See that space there? You could build closets in there if you wanted to. So we have 4 bedrooms up here. And then this is the master bedroom. See that? And I'll just pan around the room. I'll come over here by the bed. See, it's got some built-in closets there. And then to the right of me is the master bedroom bathroom with the tub shower set up, full shower, all glass there. And then the master bedroom has a balcony here, which one could expand this room to be bigger if you wanted to. You could bring the walls to the walls here and get rid of this balcony if you wanted to and expand the master bedroom. See all this space out here? You could make the bedroom much bigger. See that? Yeah, I'll just pan over here really quick, get in the corner. See how you can knock this corner out, bring it all the way up to the wall here, and you could enlarge the master bedroom if you wanted to. Not too hard. So let's go downstairs and check out around the house, perimeter. What's nice about this house, it's in, like I said, Villar donated about 6 hectares to all the colleges of the Philippines. And it's right next door here from the front gate, which will cause, once that's completed, will cause this property value probably to double. So lots of investments around here. You got the River Road, you got the hospital district, you got a Via Mall. All these places are being built around here. Villar is spending about 50 or 80 billion pesos just to create this new city here, a Via City. So it'll be big. So we look out in the front here. Have a little table set up here. And I'll just walk across the grass here. This particular property doesn't have a perimeter wall, but they have, you know, bushes that are using as a wall, as you can see. Pretty good sized backyard here. One could expand onto the house if they wanted to. You could create a whole nother bedroom down here, a whole 2 floors if you wanted to, or put a small swimming pool. So there's, see, if you look up here like this, see that? Imagine you could expand this whole house out to here if you wanted to. Creating more square meterage in the house and creating a higher selling price in the future. Build a perimeter wall around, or you could build a swimming pool there. That'd be nice. Build a big TV room there right in front of the TV, in front of that swimming pool with all glass front. That'd be nice. As you can see, here's the back door. Sliding glass door into the dining room and kitchen. So I'll walk around this way. You can see it's got a covered parking. As you can see, there's one car here. You can see their property line here. You can see your neighbors. See your neighbor here, this nice corner house there. You can see that. And nobody in the lots next to you or behind you. See that? Nobody beside you. So I hope you enjoyed this tour by philhome.com. Look, like I said, look down in the description. You can find more information about this house. And then you can go to philhome.com and send us a message if you're interested and we can show you this house. Or you can go to PhilHome Facebook page and get a hold of us there with your personal Facebook. And we'll be happy to show you this house. So I hope you enjoyed this by philhome.com, and thanks for tripping with me. Have a nice day.